Hi there. This is a silk cotton tree bonsai, also known as bombax ceiba. I don't remember its correct age, because it's one of the trees that I started my bonsai hobby with. That's why it's very close to my heart. I potted it in a small plastic pot 2 years ago, but its taproot grew so big that tears the flexible pot. It's trying to grow out of pot. I want it to be small mame bonsai, a bonsai not long more than a few inches, but it's very hard to do. Nature built this variety to be a giant, so it always keeps growing big taproot and single trunk long structure. You may see a twin trunk, but it keeps the stronger branch. Weak branches just die. I pruned it back many times to get multiple branches. It always grows many branches, but at the end, only one stays alive till next spring. Its taproot grows big like a potato. No matter how many times you cut that potato root, it will keep growing back. It can't grow a good branch structure or root structure. Many bonsai experts declared it unfit to be a bonsai, but I am determined to do something creative with it. I will reduce its height to keep it small and treat potato root as a part of trunk. I will dig up the taproot above soil level. Soon that root will change its texture and start looking like trunk. Showing the taproot also looks good because the taproot got a good twist and turns. That species of silk cotton tree, bombax ceiba, grows gigantically big and long. I searched on the internet to find out about the lifespan of that tree. Google shows me that it could live for approximately 50 years, but I don't believe that information because the 150 feet long, very big tree located near my home existed 50 years before my birth, and I am currently aged more than 35 years. That's proved the Google wrong. I asked the local people about the lifespan of that tree, and they told me that tree can live up to 500 years. You can see an ugly big root, but that ugly root will convert into a beautiful trunk. Now I have to reduce the trunk height, then I will wire to twist the branches. You may also observe that there are only few small roots, so you can't hope to have a beautiful surface root structure. Unlike other trees, it really doesn't hurt the tree much if you remove all the small feeder roots. It will easily survive that operation. Now you are seeing a small pot that I am preparing for that bonsai. I want to be completely honest with my viewers that is actually not a bonsai pot. It's a spray paint bottle cap. I just made a big hole for water drainage and punched 2 smaller ones to put a wire to stabilize that bonsai. In fact, I broke the bottom of the so-called pot during punching the holes, but that was just a crack, so it wasn't going to affect the working of the pot. Yet I am not going to show that disappointing mistake in the video. The fact is that I don't spend much money to satisfy my desire for bonsai. Over years, I only spend a few bucks to purchase the tools and ingredients of professional bonsai soil. Until today, I never purchased a tree. Most of the trees are collected from the roadside, jungles, abandoned houses, and I visit many places that were famous to be a haunted place. But thankfully no ghost ever tries to chase me. Sorry, just trying to be ridiculously funny. Some trees are grown from the seed and cuttings. Fewer are even stolen from friends and relatives. YouTube can demonetize for talking about the stolen stuff, but with that fewer views count and subscribers, I have no chance to monetize in near future. So that is a problem for another day. If you hate stealing, please like my video and subscribe to my channel so I can be monetized early, so YouTube can demonetize and punish me. Jokes aside, but spending no money does not mean that my tree less are valuable. The time and effort I put in my hobby is priceless. Even to collect this one tree, I was entered in a premises that was guarded by the 3 German shepherds.
Candy!
Of course their owner was with me, but those dogs were kept sniffing me the whole time, and my legs kept shaking, and the dog owner was continuously laughing at me and making fun of me. So I can say that I bet my life and dignity for this one. So I will not hesitate to ask you again for your subscription. Now I am wiring the trunks to twist them. If that was some other species, I would twist one branch and turn the other one downwards so the tree can get a semi-cascade look, but there is a higher chance that the thinner one is going to die, so I have to twist both branches in the same direction. I am being very careful while putting wire and twisting it because these branches are very soft. They can easily be cracked. No matter how soft you are, small damage is inevitable. Even after recording this video, I observe small cracks and apply some rubber cement to secure the cuts and wounds. There are many sealant products available in the market, but you know about my low-budget policy. I only use rubber cement. It's the best to apply on cuts, and it works as good as any commercial cut putty. There is a misconception that bonsai is a very expensive hobby. You can do it for free, but it produces a highly valuable product. 1 month has passed since I potted this. Small branch died as expected, so I needed to cut that branch. Ideally, I should leave those wires for a few months and let that dead branch stay for now, but I am so excited to show my beloved tree to you that I decided to remove it all. If I am honest with you, it is not a good decision because when removing the wire, it's losing the twist. It is getting longer than my desire, but for now I am keeping this height. I may reduce its height in the spring. I want it to look more small, but for now I can say that it is looking adorable. That small leaf is blocking the view of trunk, so it needs to be removed. So that's it for today's video.